beard growth can be stimulated. Gentlemen, there are so many things that you can do to stimulate beard growth. I've seen a lot of people on my channel, they've tried to do all sorts of things with the hope of them growing a beard. They are not seeing any result. Gentlemen, it's all about experimenting. Try all these things and find out what works well for you. If you don't look for things that works well for you, you're not going to find the answers that you are looking for. Having a beard is a trait of man. Having a beard makes you be respected by the society. Not only does a beard makes you look amazing, gentlemen, a beard makes you look handsome. A beard improves your handsomeness, so grow that beard. When you see someone on the street wearing this beard, respect them because it's not easy. And that's why I say that beard men are well respected by the people in community because they have patience. If you want to grow a beard, you need to learn one thing, and that is patience. Be patient and make sure that you just wait and do the right things, and you're going to see the results that you want in no time.